Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the US stock indices. Let's close the daily and we're gonna dive with NASDAQ first on the 1 hour chart where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, wave B, and we are looking for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well as an impulse for a wave C to finish up a major wave B for this, I would say, correction that we have since months unfolding here as an A. We have a very fast wave B pushing toward the upside, of course, which is still unfinished, very likely still looking for a little bit higher. And we're looking for a wave C towards the downside here to open towards the 0.38 Fibonacci level 22K, very psychological number. On the 15-minute chart, we are looking at this wave 5 unfolding here after a very long sideways, where we have potentially a triangle here, A, B, C, D, and a E, and very likely that we are unfolding a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, I believe, the high is taken here somehow, but I think that it might still unfold something for a little bit higher, maybe much more extended wave 5, and then finishing up exactly this wave C in a wave B, and then pushing toward the downside. Don't forget that the 1-to-1 fib level is already taken at 25K. It can be finished and it can be still looking for a little bit higher because the reaction here that I see again is not very, very strong, because normally when we hit the top here, we would like to see a direct move towards the downside here. But it still can be. So anyway, sooner or later, we might drop down, of course, for a NASDAQ. So we got to be careful. The structure is done and we might finish up this correction here as an ABC. The next one that we have here is SPX. For SPX as well, on the 1 hour chart, the same, I would say, as for NASDAQ. We have finished our wave 5. Nice finish as well. So we have ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently the wave 5 after this also sideways triangle A, B, C, D, and a E. We have double 1, 2 here, which it can be a wave 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. And that's why I'm still looking also for a little bit higher here, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. So very likely to still reach a little bit higher around the 6,850, I would say, and then starting the push toward the downside. This has finished already a major wave B, as we mentioned as well, after a potential here W, X, and a wave Y for a wave A, and then ABC zigzag, and then continuation towards lower prices to reach our target as a wave to $6,075. This wave 2 as an ABC might be unfolding, of course, after finishing those small highs here on the micro level, and we might see a 6K next as a wave C to reach our wave 2 at 0.38 minimum requirement for a wave 2, and that's especially because we have finished a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C, of course, A, B, and a C here as a wave 2. Yep, so this is regarding SPX. The same, I would say, for Dow Jones. We're looking as well for this correction wave 2 after an impulse as a wave 1, and we're looking for 3 waves for a wave C in a wave 2, and can be even something deeper later on to be watched in case we are in a deeper wave 2. Of course, the timing differ here, but the perfection of the time is in between, of course, where we might finish here in ABC. In case we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it can be also possible A, B, and a C as, of course, zigzag, and then pushing toward the upside. Currently, we have a finished zigzag, I would say, for Dow Jones as well on the 15-minute chart. A, B, and a C, very clear triangle as a wave B. I have mentioned this before also, that it can be a finished triangle already there, and your impulse start internally here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And this is exactly what it might happen, but the wave 5 is not yet done totally, and that because we still have a 1, 2 here, and wave 3 given, wave 4, and a wave 5, meaning one more high before we push downward. So target for Dow Jones to be expected is at least the 44K $650 here in this wave 2 as 0.38 Fibonacci level minimum requirement. Of course, to be seen if we are going for deeper or not. Of course, we'll see the reaction in this area, which is required as a timing as well. That was it for the US stocks indexes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube. plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.